The events that took place within the corridors of justice within 24 hours to a repeat election in October 2017 played out in today's JSC interviews in the search for a new Chief Justice. Lady Justice Martha Koome, who was part of a three-judge bench on the eve of October 26th of that election, was put to task on the contributing decisions and factors then. Justice Koome had no regrets nor apologies for that decision, as Leila Mohammed now tells us.
Thank you, Judge. Wish you well.
Lady Justice Martha Koome has once walked into a gathering of the JSC, seeking to become part of the highest court in the land. This time, she seeks to become the country's first Lady Chief Justice and notes that the 33 years of judicial service will come in handy to guide her in her everyday duties.
Please tell the Commission and the Kenyans who you are.
I grew up from a Nambo family.
She says the values gained from her mother still play a significant role in her judicial duties, citing the championing of rights for women and children, a feat she has been recognized for both here and abroad.
When we asked you to give...
For the third day running, however, ghosts of judgment past re-emerged. A decision made at 8 p.m. on the evening of October 25th, 2017 has come back to haunt Lady Justice Martha Koome, a decision she notes that was important for the constitutionalism of this country and was key for the elections to be conducted the very next day. In a complaint raised before the JSC, Khalef Khalifa of Muhuri complained about a judgment of the Court of Appeal that happened the very day and revoked a judgment of the High Court by Justice Odunga, declaring that all the returning officers and their deputies were illegally in office at the IEBC.
The day before that election was a public holiday. I was called by the registrar, Mr. Selem, and told that the president has said, certified a matter urgent, and has sent the bench comprising of Justice Givenji, Sishale, and Koome hears the urgent application.
The president in question was the current Attorney General Kihara Kariuki, who was at the time the president of the Court of Appeal. Lady Justice Koome says that the matter was an ex-parte case which just needed to be heard immediately.
Who authorizes the court to sit after hours in the judiciary?
Well, it is the presiding judge, the president of the court, under the Court of Appeal Administration Act. So when the president of the court certified the matter and constituted the bench, said the matter be heard today because of the urgency, it is him I'm answerable to.
So we don't know whether the CJ authorized. Two, we know that the other party was not called, or rather, as a judge, you did not ascertain. Now, then you make the decision. Are you aware that, in fact, this decision is not even on EKLR, the decision that you made?
I'm surprised it's not on EKL because all the decisions of the Court of Appeal are transmitted, and it's not me who transmits.
The Lady Justice believes that the judiciary cannot run on one wheel, and the connectivity and collegiality relations of the team will be key for its transformation. Justice Marete Njagi has his day before the panel on Thursday. Leila Mohammed, NTV.